Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 105. The almost innumerable terms connected with business should be understood by all who engage in trade. They are introduced into practically every transaction, and he would be considered incompetent who did not understand them. The mastery of these terms is not a task of such magnitude as to disconcert anyone of reasonable self-reliance and self-control. No enterprising man need entertain a moment's doubt as to his ability to learn these significant terms. The transmission of goods to a commission agent or other consignee involves the preparation of documents which will ensure the transfer of the goods to him without unnecessary delay. The arrangement of consular invoices and other forms properly inscribed and attested must be recognized as a common matter of daily routine, and a man would feel uncomfortable if he were ignorant of these things. Full stop.